At least we've tried the Taiwanese sausage. Cut and uncut. On our last video ay sinamahan nyo kaming magpalipad ng Sky Lantern sa Shifen Old Street. Ngayon naman, ipagpatuloy natin ang ating tour sa Shifen Waterfall at sa ating last stop dun sa Jufen. Let's go! After about 15 minutes na biyahe from Shifen Old Street, we reached na yung next stop natin, which is yung Shifen Waterfall. A quick fun fact about Shifen Waterfall is siya yung pinaka malawak or widest waterfall in Taiwan at 40 meters or 131 feet wide. And ang tawag din sa kanya ay Little Niagara of Taiwan kasi magkamukha sila nung Niagara Falls sa may US and Canada. Margarita LaGuardia. Nasa Pilipinas tayo.
You know, I also film video.
Yes.
Yeah? You follow me?
Yes,
We will.
I will. We will.
Okay.
Where?
Here's just everywhere.
Do you have
Even TikTok?
TikTok,
Wow.
nice?
TikTok, YouTube,
Okay.
Instagram, Facebook.
Where's my phone?
Gems, very useful channel, you know.
Yeah.
Inside there are many
Very-
food recommendations.
Very educational.
Hong Kong speak.
It's just gems, fair.
You haven't been
Only me.
This one.
Yeah, that's one.
Yes.
This
There's YouTube's a fewer followers. TikTok,
yes.
mostly people on
Okay.
TikTok.
Yeah, most on TikTok.
Yeah, you see there's a ladies event, like this one. Maybe you can go to see the cherry blossom. You see this one.
Oh,
This one.
Most popular free events.
beautiful.
Yeah, also I provide a bus. You want to take the bus number. Also inside. Yeah, usually you can go there.
Next time, can we just message you directly?
Yeah, but now it's just because I have the contract with.
Okay.
So maybe I'll say all the travel agencies.
Itong tour guide natin na si James, may mga social media account siya na pwede nating i-follow. He promotes tourism of Taiwan. So yung TikTok niya lang meron ako, which is yung jamesbearwu.63. Bago natin marating yung Shifen Waterfall, maglalakad muna tayo for about 10 to 15 minutes mula doon sa stop natin kanina. And we booked this tour, by the way guys, via Klook. We will just put the link sa description box below. And just mind you na medyo hindi friendly itong part na to for seniors and PWD kasi other than medyo mahaba yung lalakarin, medyo challenging pa. Scared, sister?
Hello.
Shifen Waterfall.
Okay naman tayo apakan nito.
Ano?
Hindi ka tulad sa inaapakan natin doon sa makamaka tayo. Medyo scary kasi
Doon sa Yalyu. Oh no. Oh my god, it's shaking. Oh my god, it's shaking. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's shaking. Ano, ituloy-tuloy mo lang na walk, huwag kang tumingin sa baba. Oh my god. Oh, 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 oh. This is fun.
Fun. Para sa mga takas sakay. Oh my God. Pag-iway dito po. Dito na, Erika. Sino ka nang hero?
Why is it still moving? Alam mo ba na ang dalawang yan ay babae at lalaki?
Saan?
Yung lion na yan. Are you okay?
Oh.
Ano daw? Trust ko.
Saan? Lion?
Yan at yan.
Ah, really?
Those are lion sister. Lion guards. Ay, parang may train pa. Sarah! Si Sarah Crew. Parang kang si Sarah Crew. Ay, si Ate Jamie. Oh.
Parang yung prayer mo.
Parang yung sinulat mo kanina.
Ang bilis naman.
Di ba pangarap ko magkaroon ng travel agency? So I guess this is it. Ay, andyan yung mga ka-team natin. Mga pink.
Oo nga. Mga kakamping.
Oo,
Ba rose pink tayo.
You look.
Year of the horse ka ba, Marta? Or
Rabbit.
rabbit?
Ikaw horse ka. Ako snake.
Rabbit ko, Anong year ba ang birth year mo?
19.
Ah!
That was not so many people. If you want older, I should say you can order now. They were super big.
Oh my god. Why is it so big?
Wow. 这么大腿是80。
Ate Jay, parang ano? Baba something. Ito, sausage.
这个是多少钱？哦，
Sir,
No. I'll order one sausage.
哦，OK，
Me too.
Then, babayaran na.
Many people here. I recommend it.
Soup.
I order a soup. Yeah, it's cold.
We're trying Taiwanese sausage.
Yummy.
It's sweet. Parang longganisa.
这个汤平常是没有在卖的，对不对？
Ah, ha?
有啦，
有卖啊，
Mas masarap pag
有卖豆花汤、蛤蜊汤也有。对，
Pero masarap. Margaret recommends. Kasi nakarami na siya. Pero actually kami. Ay, this is video. Magkano bibigyan natin ito? Pero mabait ka. No? Sa'yo yan?
Try natin.
You wanna sit somewhere?
Or lakad muna tayo. Kasi mabilis lang.
Ah, sige. Yan na lahat on order mo? Yan na lahat, pero meron pa.
For 10, dapat ang lalakad ka natin. Doon sa baba.
Kung gusto mo maganda view, bababa ka pa tayo.
Hindi ko nga.
Mag-CR ka muna. Ha? And finally guys, after a few minutes of walking, narating na natin ang napakagandang Shifen Waterfall. Actually sa baba, mas maganda yung view pero hindi na kami pumunta doon, we opted na dito na lang sa taas. Okay, so we're done here at Shipin Waterfall. Heading back now. Hindi ka mag-CCR, Ate Jamie?
Okay lang.
Ako din.
Not so much what.
Tapos pagdating natin doon sa
Tapos naihi na doon.
sa Jufen, ano na naman? Ano, marami na namang kain doon.
I'll give you a hand.
Hindi man tayo For sure may sausage doon.
At least we've tried the
Nice.
Taiwanese sausage na.
Nahiwa at buo.
Oo. Buo at hiwa.
Hiwa.
Cut and uncut.
Which one do you like?
I like the uncut one because it was toasted.
Wow. Truly.
So we're back na dito sa may bus, guys. Papunta na tayo ngayon sa ating last stop, which is yung Jufen. So rinig ko maraming mga free taste doon and pwede na rin mamili doon ng mga pasalubong. And yung distance, guys, ng Jufen from Shipin Waterfall, approximately 23 kilometers siya. So yung travel time natin is another 26 minutes. A quick trivia lang, guys, about sa Jufen is before, during Japanese colonial era, is prosperous gold mining town siya. However, nag-close siya noong 1970s. At nung na-rediscover siya, naging tourist spot na siya kung saan inspired daw ang Japanese anime na Spirited Away. From our tour bus, guys, kailangan nating bumaba at mag-transfer sa another bus na maghahatid sa atin doon sa Jufen, and meron lang siyang minimum fee na 15 NTD. I think another 1 or 2 minutes na lakad bago natin marating yung entrance nung Jufen Old Market. Meron na actually mga landmark dito, like etong mga convenience stores such as yung Family Mart, and yung sa pinaka-entrance niya etong 7-Eleven. So once you see this convenience store na 7-Eleven with the lanterns, yan na yung entrance papasok sa Jufen Old Market.
Here, okay? 7 cans. Give me here. The public toilet over there. If you need use toilet, there, okay?
Anong lasa sa gusto?
Hindi ko pa alam.
Sige.
Init lang.
Okay.
Ulang.
Parang mas gusto ko yung Jillian. Binigyan tayo, guys, ng tour guide natin na si James ng 2 hours para libutin or i-explore itong Jufen. So, we are taking advantage of free taste na para malaman namin kung ano yung mga pasalubong na pwede na naming dalhin. Kasi mas mura daw dito yung mga pasalubong and mas quality siya compare sa Taipei mismo. So, nag-taste kami dito sa store na to ng ginger tea and oolong tea. Meron din sila ditong parang dried fish na masarap.
You see this one? You see the shelf? Very small box. One.
Sarap. Okay. Sarap.
This much 100 over there.
Mag-free taste na tayo. What's this?
Mochi
Mochi. This one.
She with smoke.
Ito yung sinasabi niya kanina. Sarap.
Fish.
Sarap.
What's this again? Sorry.
Yung kaninang seaweed.
She with smoke.
Yung sinasabi ni Kuya kanina na crunchy.
And this one is
She with
the seaweed.
one more.
Sarap din.
Pili tayo. Walang ito gusto ko.
Bili na ba tayo or mamaya?
Pwede naman pagbalik.
What's this and this? This and this.
Fish.
Mamaya. Sige. We explored other stores pa guys para sa mga pwedeng magustuhan namin na pampasalubong. And our goal here is to reach the tea house kung saan inspired daw yung Japanese anime na Spirited Away. So medyo siksikan lang talaga kasi other than maraming tao, yung alley is maliit din. So bigayan lang ng way para lahat makausad, diba? Again guys, we booked this tour via Klook. Maraming time slot actually na available. Pero yung binook namin is etong merong Jufen Night View. Wherein yung meet up namin is 11:15 a.m. kanina. And may mas maagang mga time slot if gusto nyo mas maaga matapos yung tour nyo. So, kayo na bala mamili. Again, you can use the link in the description box below.
Take out sister.
Na policy.
It's not refried, it's very 3 months.
Oh,
Yes,
wow. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Pag na-in love ka sa'yo si Ate Jamie, gaganda buhay mo.
Sana meron.
Sarap.
Mga
I eat everywhere.
Yeah. Floss.
Like the frost, this one is this side of this. That's also my 5,000.
Bili ang
My
floss.
favorite is the fish bone actually. The CEO bone. This is CEO 吗？
Yeah.
Oh, this one.
Sarap.
Better than the ginger tea cup. Yeah.
How much? Do you have pork? Pork floss you have. How much?
Do you accept card?
Only cash.
Medyo clueless actually kami guys kung saan yung way papunta doon sa tea house. But sinusundan lang namin yung flow ng tao. And feeling ko naman mararating sana siya ng mabilis. Pero along the way kasi maraming distraction. As what you can see guys, napakaraming tao, hindi kami nakakuha ng decent picture. So we've decided na bumalik na bilang patapos na rin yung time ng tour natin. So we just picked up the pasalubongs na binili namin dito sa store na to. Napakabait nila kasi okay lang sa kanila iiwan yung mga binili tapos balikan na lang after mag-picture sana doon sa my tea house. And we're heading back to Taipei. This is the end of our tour for today. Another 1 hour and we're back now in Ximending. So maghahanap lang kami ngayon ng ATM para obviously mag-withdraw and mag-dinner na din. Thank you. Kaya pala video mo. Thank you, Ate.
Yung cancer. Happy birthday. Kunwari ano, kunwari group pa. Oo. Ano ba no? Ang chitipay naman ng mga friends. Sorry.
I appreciate it. Akala ko nga kanina yung pagkawala ng
Yun ang regalo namin sa'yo.
Parang arte lang. Tapos doon ako sa surprise sa police station.
Actually, yung mga lalaking yun, yun eh.
Got it.
Make a wish!
More travels. Overflowing abundance of financial blessings, love, hope, and peace. And may pa-surprise pa nga ang ating mga friendship na sina Ate Jamie and ating sister Marga. So thank you ladies, and to you guys na tinapos ng video na to, please consider subscribing and liking and commenting. And we'll have another video next week. Have a happy weekend. Thank you again for watching. Bye-bye.